Do you ever feel overwhelmed before you even start your day? You look at everything you need to do and your brain just freezes. Not because you don't care, but because it feels like too much. Many adults with ADHD experience this. It's often called overwhelm, but it's closely connected to something called executive function. Executive function helps your brain decide what to do, organize steps, and take action. When too many tasks are competing for your attention at once, your brain can struggle to prioritize. So instead of starting something, you may feel stuck. You might sit down and not know where to begin. Or avoid everything altogether because it feels too heavy. This is not laziness. It's your brain trying to manage more information than it can comfortably process at once. One simple strategy that can help is reducing the number of visible choices. Instead of looking at everything you need to do, choose just one task. Write it down. And focus only on that. Not the whole day. Not the whole list. Just one step. Another helpful approach is to make your tasks visible and simple. For example, a short list with 2 to 3 items. Or a clear visual reminder of what needs to be done next. This reduces mental clutter and makes it easier for your brain to take action. If you often feel overwhelmed before starting, you're not alone. And it doesn't mean you're incapable. Your brain may just need less at once, not more pressure. Do you ever feel overwhelmed before you even start your day? Let me know in the comments. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this helped you better understand your ADHD brain, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD for support and practical strategies for adults over 50.